In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a SoFi account. By the end, you'll be set up and ready to start using SoFi's tools with confidence. First, open your browser and visit https www.sofi.com. Make sure you see the secure padlock in the address bar and that the URL is spelled correctly so you know you're on the official site. On the home page, look for a button that says Get Started or Sign Up. Next, create your account. You'll enter your email and choose a strong, unique password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and consider a password manager to keep it safe. Review the terms and disclosures, then continue to create the profile. After that, verify your email. SoFi will send you a confirmation message, open it, and click the verification link to activate your account. If you don't see it, check your spam or promotions folder. If the link expires, simply request a new one from the site. Now you'll enter your personal information. This typically includes your legal name, date of birth, and your current address. Financial institutions are required to collect this to confirm your identity and comply with regulations. Type everything carefully and make sure it matches what's on your government ID to avoid delays. Then choose the SoFi product you want to start with. You can opt for banking, investing, or another offering based on your goals. Don't worry, this isn't a permanent decision. You can add additional products later from your dashboard as your needs evolve. If you're opening a banking or investing account, you'll be prompted to fund it. You can link an external bank account securely, then pick your initial deposit amount. If it's your first time linking, it's perfectly fine to start with a small transfer and scale up once everything is confirmed. Transfer times can vary, so keep an eye on your timeline. Next comes identity verification. You may be asked for your social security number and to upload a photo of a government-issued ID, and sometimes a selfie for a quick match. Good lighting and a steady hand help the process complete quickly. Depending on the product, SoFi may run a soft credit pull, which won't affect your credit score. Now set up security. Enable two-factor authentication so your account requires a code in addition to your password. Choose a secure method and keep recovery options up to date. Finally, start using your account. Explore your dashboard, customize alerts, and review settings. If you're banking, you can set up direct deposit and savings goals. If you're investing, browse available assets and educational resources. That's it. Your SoFi account is ready to go. Thanks for watching and enjoy getting started.